What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi, yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to another Monday fire workout, my boy Joey Scott.
What's cracking, people?
Got a bit of lumping, yeah.
I know.
All right, guys, you know the drill, right? Monday, every single Monday, we have a fire workout for you. 10 minutes of HIIT, mixed with skipping and bodyweight exercises. Joey, you got a fire kind of workout lined up for us right today?
Yeah, man. Some core galore.
Core galore, yeah?
With some legs. Probably throw some glutes in as well.
Listen, guys, you know the drill. You have to hit that subscribe button and join us with the hottest fitness community growing across the world today. If you're unsure what ropes we use on this channel, it is, of course, the RA Speed Rope, also known as the Money Rope, the most in-demand skipping rope on the planet, hands down. Go use YouTube 10 to get your 10% discount right now. All right, we need to get straight into this, guys, man, because we've got a gym session later on, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
And we're going to get this done, and you guys are going to follow along right now. So let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this.
It's gonna rain.
It's gonna rain.
But it's alright, I got my umbrella.
So Margie's on the YouTube. Right, guys, let's do this. I've got my interval timer ready. You know the drill, right? It's gonna be 1 minute. We're gonna start with a 1 minute warm up, to be fair. It's 1 minute skipping, then 1 minute bodyweight exercises. Just follow along, we'll show you what you need to do. Right, here we go, 1 minute warm up. You know the drill, right, Joe? One arm swings. Just starting to rain as well, man. Get those high knees in there, peeps. Nice. Stay on the balls of your feet. This is going to help you with your timing and rhythm. Get the blood flowing, circulating across the body. Yeah, bro, I think it's going to rain loads, you know.
Is it?
I don't know, man. It's starting to rain, peeps. Add a little run in there. Nice. Right, the whole idea of this, people, is we're just trying to get our brain and body in sync. So just have a little bit of play around with it. Add in some different footwork. Little toe taps. Nice. Switch hands, see if you feel comfortable with that. 5 seconds left of this warm up. And we're going to go into a quick 30-second break. Right, 30 seconds break. Right. Ooh. How you been feeling today, mate?
Huh?
How you been feeling?
Yeah, I'm alright. Just hit my head.
You just hit
Get a lot of that.
Trust me.
Tricks and that.
Trust me. Right, 15 seconds left. Right, what we're going to do, people, we're going to get our ropes in hands. I'm hoping this rain doesn't go mad, you know. That's going to be a problem. It's going to get all slippery with it. Alright, we're going to start with a quick fire run skip here. We're going to go fast for 10 seconds, slow for 10 seconds. Alright, here we go. So nice and quick. Going to drive those knees up. 10 seconds on. And we're just going to slow it down now. Big deep breaths in. And then exhale. Let's go hard. Let's go hard again, 10 seconds. That's all good, it's all good. Don't worry if you trip out there, people. And then slow it down. Idea is we need to keep those heels off the floor, right, people, at all times. Make sure there's maximum kind of burn on your quads and calves. Hard again. Drive the knees up. And 10 seconds slow. So last 10 seconds, Joe, you get lined up for the next exercise so they can see what's coming next. 5 seconds, people. Legs and core, yeah? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 30 seconds.
Flutter kicks.
Flutter kicks.
45-degree angle. Breathe in. Nice long legs.
Bro, I feel this on my legs hard. How am I core? How am I feeling this on my you get
my legs, boy. Go.
5 seconds the next exercise. 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
That was tough, bro.
That felt mad.
What's the next one?
So we're going to go into jacks.
What are
So planking jacks.
these? Okay.
Remember, engaging your core. Remembering to breathe.
10 seconds. Keep pushing, guys. Oh, these are hard, bro.
Nice straight back.
2 and 1.
Oh, mate.
Hey, those flight kicks were harder than I thought.
I know, man.
I'm burning my quads right now.
Had
One of them weekends. Lazy.
One of them weekends.
Yeah.
Alright, Pete, big up if you caught last week's comeback video, man. It did really well, man.
I know.
A lot of people got involved. 7,000 you saw that. Right, we're getting 5 seconds to go. Next one we're gonna do, right, is side straddle. So,
Side straddle.
yeah, so
Okay.
we're gonna really start to burn, get the burn on those legs now. This is legs and core day, man. You can start to mix it up if you want to do 10 to the side and then 10 in front if you want to get fancy with it. 5, 6. Remember, please, it's not about getting as quick as possible. You can go quicker, but you really want to stay controlled. Engage that core, chest out. Keep the rope kind of moving at the same speed if you can. Then you can start to switch between the footwork. So 10 to the side, 10 in front. You could do that, 5 to the side.
2, 3, 4.
Last 5 seconds, get us up, Joey. 3, 2, 1. Let's get in here.
Alright, guys. Get some Russian twists.
Russian twist.
Some feet here. Twist. Make sure emphasize on the obliques. Twisting. Try to keep this one stable.
It's good.
3,
10 more seconds.
twist. Important. Keeping the legs
4,
up.
3, 2, 1. What's the next one?
Crunches, regular crunches. So same position. Head here. Let's crunch 1.
Oh.
Remembering to breathe, guys. So important. Hands at your head. Slight crunch up. Abdominal muscles.
Oh, man. I'm not gonna lie. My core is a beat. Oh, mate. Right, peeps, it's raining out here.
But we're still cutting through.
That's it, man.
Can't let the rain stop you.
It's true, man. Hopefully the lens ain't getting misty and all that. You can see as well. What's his third one? Third cycle. Right, people, go straight into high knees, right? So we're gonna do this, right? Is you're gonna go up here. You're gonna go 10 like this, and then we'll do 10 running high knees, yeah? So here, and then like this. Really high.
Quarter galore.
Trust me, man.
This is no joke.
And then back to these ones. It's always about the breathing as well, man. Back to high. Let's go. Push. I want you to try and push you. And get those knees to the ceiling, to the sky. Back to chilled. I'm not gonna lie, my legs feel mash up.
Killing me today. I've got the wrong trainers, man. Trainers are too bulky.
Back high again. Get set up for the next one, bro. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's the next one?
Woo. Going to regular plank, guys.
Regular plank.
Or you can, if you want to do this one,
Oh, man.
you can. For the more advanced people. Or you can just hold.
7 more seconds of this. 5, 4, 3. What's the next one, Joe?
From that position, we're going to stay in plank again.
Yeah?
We're going to Spider-Man plank. Spider-Man.
Oh, man.
Core galore, guys.
Oh, ow.
Nice straight back. Engaging that core. Getting the legs up for the obliques.
Ugh. 2, 1. Woo! I'm struggling. Peeps, I know you're crushing this out here. Drop us a comment right now. Or maybe not now, later on. Tell us what you think of these workouts.
It's mad after the skipping. You really feel it.
Burnt. Alright, rope in hand. We're gonna go into running crossover. So, here, if you struggle with this one, stick to a regular bounce or boxer step. Here's a regular bounce. Here's a boxer step. And this one's your run. Remember the key here, guys, you wanna make sure the loops are clean. You're crossing at the elbows, you're turning the wrists over. Right? Nice and controlled. Keep an eye on your rope length. If you're tripping on your feet, chances are your rope could be too short or you're not crossing enough. If you want to go hard, up the speed, we can slow it down. Nice, Joey. Oh, he's throwing a little double under, yeah?
Sorry, dude. I'm so used to doing that.
4. Yeah, what's the next one, bro? Well done if you caught up with that one, peep. Where we going?
We're going some donkey kicks.
Donkey kicks. Show me what we're doing, bro.
A nice straight leg.
So 15 on each side, yeah?
Yeah.
And change leg.
Yeah.
Yep.
Change leg.
So we're trying to put the, like...
I'm keeping my legs straight.
Okay. We're trying to get like underneath our, like, our heel to go high, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. What's next one, bro?
It's the same position, but we're doing it to the side.
Okay.
So side. Medius, glutes.
Oh, yeah. This feels good.
Wait for the hip flexors, guys.
If you're someone like me with tight hips, next side.
Other side.
If someone like me with
Engaging your core.
weak hips.
Great for the glutes. Hip flexors.
5 seconds left, peeps. Last few. Go hard. Nice work. Whew. I know you're crushing out there. I know you're killing it. Keep up. What cycle was that, bro?
4.
Is this the last one, yeah? Yeah. This is the last set. Guys, this workout is sick. I'm sweating.
Is that our last set?
Heart is racing. I think this is the last one, bro. Yeah. Right, we're gonna go hard, people. 10 seconds of doubles. Chill,
yeah,
skip. Then another 10 seconds for this next minute. Right, here we go, Joey. Nice and balanced. And chill. So with your chill, get your breath back, deep breaths in and out. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Get yourself set up and let's go again. 10 seconds. And chill. Nice, Joe. So it's mad, you know, Joey, you only started skipping just before lockdown, didn't it, really?
Yeah, this
Properly, anyway.
properly.
Next 10 seconds, let's go. Try and stay in the same place, guys. Last 10 seconds, chill. Chill, chill, chill. Get set up, Joe. 2 and 1.
Alright, nice and easy. Some glute bridges.
Glute bridges.
Go here. Up.
That's nice.
Good for your lower back and glutes. Try not to make your bum touch the floor. Keep the tension up.
We're squeezing out top, yeah?
Squeezing the glutes at the top. Nice and high.
5 more seconds of this, and the next one, Joe. 5, 4, 3, 2.
1. From this position, guys, we're going into get ups.
Oh, what? Oh, I hate this one.
Come on, bro. We've got this.
Oh my days.
Nice long arms at the top.
Wait, I'm getting with the wrong leg here.
So right arm to left leg.
That's it.
Left arm to right leg.
I'm still on, cause how can I be so uncoordinated with this, bro? Last 5, bro.
Activity completed.
Activity completed. Peeps. Hey, that was fire. Quick core galore. with legs. Hope you guys all follow along at home. Great workout by Joey, as always. Listen, leave us a comment down below, drop this video a big thumbs up, especially if you want to see more going forward. It's in the rain, we're keeping it going.
Keeping it going, man.
Every week, yeah?
Good workout.
Every week we're going for it. I'm sweating, bro. How sick is Joey's skills, by the way, man? Bro, he's been practicing during lockdown, but you're picking it up well, bro.
Trying.
People always appreciate you guys staying locked in, tuned in, following our workouts and our silliness. We'll see you next week.
Monday again, man.
Monday.
We're
Subscribe.
back on Fly and Define. Back in business.
Subscribe, hit that website, grab your ropes, grab what you need, and I'll see you then, man. So without further ado, take care of yourself.
Peace out.
Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.